Smoky eyes are always mysterious in their own ways, and it is quite a task to choose the best eyeshadow palette for achieving that bold and confident look just the way you desire. So in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best eyeshadow palettes that will help you achieve the perfect smoky eye look on the go. Let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Tarte Tartelette and Bloom Clay palette is a cult favorite product which will provide you with smudge-proof everyday looks just as you step outside. This palette has 12 different shades that are micro shimmer and matte in nature. The shades are perfect for achieving rosy and bronze lid, crease, and liner, and they're formulated with skin-vigorating ingredients such as Amazonian clay, which provides better and longer wear, and mineral pigments which soothe and soften the skin. This dermatologist-tested product will make your eyes look bigger and more open while preventing smudging, and the palette is also arranged in coordinating rows which will enable you to achieve 3 easy looks. Additionally, the product is free from gluten, parabens, phthalates, and other harmful ingredients as well. The Tarte Tartelette and Bloom Clay palette is favored by users as it comes with great colors and stays on quite well. But besides that, some users didn't have a great experience with this product. Let's take a look at the ratings now. In terms of value and price, this palette will get 5 stars. But when it comes to acceptance, it'll get 4 stars. Our next pick for today is the Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette in warm brown, which is a great option for achieving perfect smoky eyes on every occasion. The palette comes with 9 shades, among which 8 are matte in nature and 1 is a shimmery shade. The colors have tones such as earthy cocoa, orange, and blush, so you can easily create different types of smoky looks with the help of this palette. The eyeshadows are highly pigmented and the palette is lightweight and compact in nature. It also comes with a large mirror for ease of use, and on top of that, the product is sulfate-free for your convenience. This eyeshadow palette has earned the trust of many users as the palette is beautiful and the colors are greatly pigmented. But as it goes, some users were still dissatisfied with the product. Time to check out the ratings now. We were pleasantly surprised with the overall performance of this eyeshadow palette, so it'll get 5 out of 5 stars from all 3 aspects. If you're looking for a pro-level palette to give your eyes the ultimate glam, then the NYX Professional Makeup Smoky and Highlight Ultimate Shadow Palette is the right option for you. The eyeshadow palette has 16 high-performance shades, which are velvety rich in nature and will provide your eyes with looks that are perfect for both day and night. The colors range from mattes and satins to shimmers and metallics, so you can create endless looks and achieve the ultimate smoky eyes of your dreams. The NYX Professional Makeup Smoky and Highlight Ultimate Shadow Palette is a cult favorite, and users admire how it blends well and stays long without smudging. But then again, a few of them didn't really like the product. Moving on to the ratings, we absolutely admired the affordability and overall quality of this eyeshadow palette, giving it a total of 5 out of 5 stars. The Too Faced Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette is a great option for you if you're looking for both peachy and glammed up looks at the same time. The palette comes with 18 different shades, ranging from peachy pinks to corals, bronzes, and pops of purples. All of the shades are rich and pigmented in nature, so they will offer your eyes with true color payoff. You can achieve both natural and gorgeous looks with the help of this palette, and it is also quite complimentary for all skin tones. If those were not enough, the palette literally smells like peaches, so you can pick this easily and create endless modern looks anytime you want. Users are in love with this eyeshadow palette as the colors are vibrant and they apply quite well, but some of them were still unhappy with the product. It's time to check out the ratings now. We really appreciated the overall formulation and great pigmentation delivered by this palette, so it'll get 5 out of 5 stars in total. Our best pick for today is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette, which will be your perfect day-to-night companion for eyes that look bold and gorgeous. This palette has 14 different shades, ranging from essential mattes to glamorous shimmers. Among the 14 shades, 9 of them are ultra matte and 5 come with metallic eyeshadow finishes. The shades are highly pigmented and easy to blend, so the high color payoff will make your eyes stand out in the crowd. The eyeshadows will also provide buildable intensity and neutral looks for day and evening, and the palette comes in a travel-friendly packaging containing a dual-ended makeup brush and a large mirror encased inside. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette is appreciated by thousands of users as it comes with great pigmentation, and users also love the colors. But some of them were not satisfied with their purchase. Let's rate this product now. We were overwhelmed by the quality and affordability of this eyeshadow palette, so overall it'll get 5 out of 5 stars. So that was all about the 5 best eyeshadow palettes for smoky eyes. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos, and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.